A few weeks ago, Shah Rukh Khan got the National Award for Jawan, and honestly, I don't know whether to celebrate or to laugh. Because let's be real, SRK winning a National Award for Jawan feels like giving Messi a lifetime achievement for scoring a penalty in a charity match. Matlab, come on. This man has done Swades, he has done Chak De, he has done My Name is Khan, performances that literally changed the grammar of acting in mainstream Bollywood. और उसके लिए अवार्ड नोप लेकिन जवान के लिए यस सर अभी लो. And this is exactly why I don't take these awards too seriously. Because half the time it's not about the art or the craft. It's about timing, the politics, the optics, the abhi kaun popular hai checklist. That's why you'll always find performances that actually deserve to be celebrated being sidelined. Take Vikrant Massey for an example. Brilliant actor, did 12th fail, arguably his career defining performance. And what happens? He has to share his award. मतलब भाई अगर आपको अवार्ड देना ही है तो पूरा दो ना. Why are you splitting it like a pizza bill? This whole circus is the reason why certain films, the ones that didn't get their due at the time, end up becoming cult films later. So what makes a film cult? First, let's get one thing clear. Cult films aren't cult because they are perfect. They are cult because they are timelessly personal. They connect to people in ways that mainstream recognition simply can't measure. स्वदेश इज़ द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल. जब रिलीज़ हुई लोगों को लगा थोड़ी स्लो है, बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चलेगी. एंड दे वर राइट, एटलीस्ट अबाउट द नंबर्स. But over the years, it became a reference point, a comfort film, a guide, a mirror. Cult films don't scream at you. They whisper, and when they whisper, they stay in your head forever. So, let's talk more about this. Element 1, emotional permanence. Why do you think people still talk about Swadesh today? Not because it was technically flawless, but because it hit an emotional nerve. It wasn't just about SRK playing Mohan Bhargav. It was about you watching it and asking, am I doing enough for the place I belong to? Cult films make you reflect on your own life. They don't just entertain you in the Friday to Sunday weekend window. They set up camp inside your brain, and that's why years later you still revisit them. Element 2, community connection. Another thing about cult films is the community they create. You know how fans of a cult film can instantly bond? Like अगर किसी ने बोला bro स्वदेश मेरा all time favorite है, you don't need to ask why, you just get it. Cult cinema thrives on this shared sense of understanding. The mainstream audience may have ignored it initially, but the niche audience builds a relationship with it. And over time, that niche grows. That's how a film that was flop in 2004 becomes a classic 20 years later. The defiance of trend. Cult films also use the trend. जब सब लोग एक डायरेक्शन में दौड़ रहे होते हैं, cult films खुद की लेन क्रिएट करती हैं. When Chak De released, the trend was romantic heroes, item numbers, masala entertainers, and here was SRK playing a disgraced hockey coach, wearing tracksuits, not even trying to look glamorous. That film shouldn't have worked, but it did. And today, it's not just a cult film, it's a cultural memory. People still quote 70 minute like it's a life mantra.
70 मिनट 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास. शायद तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे खास 70 मिनट.
One more thing, cult films are rediscovered again and again. So it's called the rediscovery factor. Each generation finds them, interprets them differently, and claims them as their own. Take My Name is Khan. At the time of release, it was appreciated, sure, but today, in an environment where conversations around identity, faith, and humanity are louder than ever, the film feels even more relevant. That's cult cinema. It evolves with time. Why awards don't matter here? Now, here's the irony. Awards are supposed to immortalize performances, but in reality, it's the cult status that actually does it. Nobody cares about who won the Best Actor in 2004, but everybody remembers that 2004 was the year Swadesh came out. Nobody will remember who shared their award with Vikrant Massey, but everybody will remember 12th Fail as the film that inspired millions to keep going despite failures. Awards fade, cult remains. the personal connection. Cult films are also incredibly personal. मैं आपको एक simple चीज़ बताता हूँ. Swades hits differently for an NRI kid missing home versus a student in India dreaming of working at NASA versus someone who just feeling stuck in life. That's the beauty. एक ही film but multiple lifelines. So let's wrap this up. Cult films are not cult because a jury decided, not because box office validated them, and definitely not because hashtags trended on Twitter. They're cult because they make you feel something that doesn't leave. They give you memory you revisit. They create a community you belong to. They make you question, reflect, and sometimes even act. SRK winning a national award for Jawan might be a headline today. But SRK doing Swades, Chak De, My Name is Khan, that's legacy, that's cult. Maybe that's the ultimate irony. Awards might tell you who's popular right now, but cult films, they tell you who's unforgettable forever. If you like this video, please click on that like button, comment down your thoughts below, and please subscribe to The Final Take, because I think it's time we take cinema seriously.